My name is Josette Meeks, and my culinary experience is limited to dinner parties at home and simply a passion for entertaining. I enrolled in the course simply to expand my culinary repertoire, not realizing that people come from all over the world to study under Chef Andy, including Japan. I didn't realize that some of the world's best restaurants actually recruit from the Institute. So that's something that surprised me, the level of professionalism. My expectation now is to continue to grow and learn. I feel that the art of sushi making is a never-ending quest for perfection. My favorite thing was watching Chef Andy cut down a 150-pound bluefin tuna with a katana. Watching that was so fascinating to me because he did it with such elegance and such precision without getting a drop of blood on him. It was truly remarkable, something that will stay with me for a long time. The curriculum is intense and it really requires one's full commitment. I'm so glad that I did it. It's very rewarding, and the skills gained and the lessons learned are truly invaluable. The staff is truly remarkable. As they say, you're only as good as those that you surround yourself with. And in this case, Chef Andy has really cultivated a remarkable team of people who are true top-notch professionals with a lot of experience and are there for a lot of guidance and help throughout the process. I had a difficult time in Pro Series 1, so much that I took a pause between Pro Series 1 and 2 to really step back. I had to come back with a different mindset to really devote myself to the demands of the course. And Chef Andy really expects a lot from his students, and I understand why he does. His reputation is on the line. He places sushi chefs throughout the world, and so when they call for someone, he has to make sure that we are all properly trained and skilled so that we represent him and the Institute in the best way possible. So I understand why it's so difficult, but I'm so glad that I did it. And I have to say, Pro Series 2 for me is really where all the gems are. It's where I learned the most, and I'm so glad that I came back. I would highly recommend the Sushi Chef Institute to anyone who wants to advance their skills, anyone with a passion for Japanese cuisine or haute cuisine. I think that whether you're an experienced chef or an inexperienced chef, it's a must to really get to the next level. I think it should be required of all chefs. For future students, I would say to not get discouraged and to stay on the course. For me, there were so many times I wanted to quit, and there were times that I wanted to cry, and I think I did cry, and I kept coming back, but I knew that it was for the greater good. I knew that I would have to keep coming back to get to the level that I wanted to achieve. So I would encourage you all, if you have a passion for cooking, if you have a passion to continue and to not worry about whether you think you're good enough, because the skills will come with time. It's just a matter of persevering and continuing. And I feel that the Institute, if you are committed, they are committed to helping you. It really requires adjusting one's mindset and just really being, what's the word I'm looking for? Just really devoted to the demands of the course.